Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. After a record-setting weekend, we're going to be near record again today, back into the 90s, but I've got some cooler changes heading our way to show you in that 7-day forecast. We've got rain chances heading our way too, but again, we've got to get through another very warm afternoon with a high of 94 degrees. That'll put us 16 degrees above the average for this time of year. On this first day of spring, coming in very warm, and again, we'll be 1 degree shy of that record, the record 95. Set back in 2004, and we'll come very close to potentially tying that. But those changes are coming as we look at Futurecast. A storm system that's going to impact California first will eventually sweep into our state, and it's going to bring a cold front through, and that means cooler air will move in with it as well. We're also going to get some stronger winds as that storm system approaches, and we'll get a chance for rain. Now, the next couple of days, those winds, breezes light between about 5 and 15 miles an hour across the valley, but by Wednesday, we're going to start to feel those stronger winds sustained between about 10 and 20 miles an hour with gusts near 25 miles an hour. Thursday also looking breezy as that storm system moves in. Watch Futurecast. Today, just a few passing high clouds, mostly sunny conditions though, all dry. It looks like around the state with the exception of northeast Arizona where we could get a stray shower or two. Going into tomorrow, still looking dry and mostly sunny across the state. Then watch Futurecast as we go into Wednesday. We're going to start to see some showers developing early on in the day across northwest Arizona. Here in the valley, it'll likely be by Wednesday late in the evening into Wednesday night that we see a chance for showers, possibly get a few thunderstorms too. Flagstaff, a 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. The valley, about a 20% chance. So for us, not as good of a chance as the higher terrain in our state, but there is a potential for rainfall. And we could see that rain continue into Thursday through the day, especially though Thursday morning. And for the Flagstaff area, as colder air moves in, those snow levels will actually drop to around 6,500 feet. So we could end up with some light snow in Flagstaff after the rain Wednesday. We could see that snow falling on Thursday and then drier conditions as we head into next weekend. The bigger part of this too will be the cool down. We're going to go from the 90s today to the 70s by the end of the week. And you can see that gradual drop in temperatures. Upper 80s tomorrow, mid 80s by Wednesday, low 70s by Thursday. That'll likely be the coolest day in the week and still in the 70s it looks like by Friday. So today, plan on the warm temperatures if you're heading out to spring training. 90 degrees by the start of those games, and that temperature will get higher into the mid-90s this afternoon, well above the average for this time of year with mostly sunny skies in that forecast. As you look across the state, a high of 94 here in Phoenix, 92 though at Lake Havasu, 82 in Kingman, and a high of 68 in Flagstaff, another warm one just across the state. Going into tonight, those temperatures will cool a little bit further for the valley, down into the low 60s by tomorrow morning, 62 in Bullhead City, down into the 30s though, from the Grand Canyon to Flagstaff to Window Rock, just a little bit above freezing up there. Temperatures overnight across the valley in the upper 50s to low 60s with mostly clear skies, and going into tomorrow, cooler than today, still above average by about 10 degrees, but we're topping out in the upper 80s on Tuesday, mid 80s by Wednesday, a chance for rain by Wednesday night, and then watch how that forecast just continues to cool. We're talking low 70s by Thursday, partly cloudy, a chance for showers by Friday, a little warmer in the upper 70s, but that day will be right near average. And by Saturday, we get a little warmer and back into the 80s, but another drop in temperatures coming Sunday, back into the upper 70s by then. So at least it looks like for the next 7 days, today will be the last one in the 90s.